Hello learners, in this problem we are going to find out in the tension in both the strings and the acceleration of all the three blocks. Now assume the tension in the string first is T1, and in the second string assume the tension is T2, and the gravitational force in the downward direction all of the three blocks as M1g, and on the 5 kg M2g, and the 10 kg M3g. Here we have taken the first mass 3 kg and the second mass 5 kg and the third mass as the 10 kg. So now assume the acceleration of the 3 kg block in the upward direction is as A. So the acceleration of the 5 kg block will be in the downward direction as the A, and the 10 kg block will also be in the downward direction of the same magnitude A, because here the motion is the constant motion. Because now apply the Newton's law of motion on the first mass. So Newton's law of motion is F external equals to ma. For the first block, F external, T1 is in the upward direction, so T1 minus M1 is gravitational force is in the downward direction, so M1g equals to M1a. So here T1 minus M1, 3 into 9.8 equals to 3a, a as is in upward direction, so it is taken as the positive. Now on the second mass, so here in the second case T1 is again the upward direction and M2g in downward direction, and T2 is also in downward direction, and equals to ma, M2 into a is in downward direction. So multiply the minus sign both the side, so we find M2g plus T2 minus T1 equals to M2a. Now put the value of the M2, so 5 into 9.8 plus T2 minus T1 equals to 5a. So this is the equation second. Now apply the Newton's law of motion on the third mass. So here, so T3 is the positive in the upward direction and M3g in the downward direction, so it is negative, and M3 and A is also negative as it in downward direction. So again multiply the minus sign both side, so M3g minus T3 equals to M3a. Now put the value of M3, that is 10 into 9.8 minus T3 equals to 10a. This is equation 3. Now after solving the equation first, second and third, we can find out the value of the T1, T2 and T3 and the acceleration A. Now to find out the tension in the string first, that value of the T1, put the value of the acceleration in the equation first. So T1 minus 3 into 9.8 equals to 3 into 6.53. So that is equals to T1 equals to 3 into 6.53 plus 3 into 9.8. So T1 equals to 3 is the common and 6.53 plus 9.8. So that is equals to 3 into here 3 and 5 plus 8 13 and 6 9 15 16 16.33, that is equals to 9 9 and 48. So the tension in the string first equals to 48.99 Newton. So this is the tension in the string first. Now to find out the tension in the string second, put the value of the acceleration A in the equation third. The third equation equals to 10 into 9.8 minus T2 equals to 10 into A. Now put 10 into 9.8 minus T2 equals to 10 into A. Now put the value of the A, 10 into 9.8, 10 into 9.8, that is equals to 98, minus T2 equals to 10 into 6.53, that is equals to 65.3. So T2 equals to 98 minus 65.3. So T2 equals to 7 and 2 and 3, 32.7. So T2 equals to 32.7 Newton. 32.7 Newton. So after solving the three equations, we have find out the three variables T1, T2 and the acceleration A. Thank you for watching this video.